Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to stable energy, a better mood, and a healthier future? Today we're diving deep into the science of blood sugar balance. We'll explore how to keep your blood sugar levels steady, optimizing your overall health and well-being. Imagine feeling energized throughout the day, without those dreaded energy crashes. That's the power of balanced blood sugar. This channel is all about providing you with evidence-based strategies for a healthier life. We break down complex topics into easy-to-understand information so you can take control of your health. Let's get started. So what exactly is blood sugar? Simply put, it's glucose circulating in your bloodstream. Glucose is your body's primary source of energy. Where does this glucose come from? Primarily from the carbohydrates you eat. Think bread, pasta, fruits, and vegetables. Your body breaks down these carbohydrates into glucose. This glucose then enters your bloodstream, raising your blood sugar levels. Now, here's where insulin comes in. Your pancreas releases insulin, which acts like a key. Insulin unlocks the doors of your cells, allowing glucose to enter and be used for energy. Without insulin, glucose can't get into your cells effectively. We'll briefly touch on insulin resistance later, but for now, understand that insulin is crucial for regulating blood sugar. It's a vital hormone for metabolic health. What happens when your blood sugar is consistently too high? This is known as hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia can lead to a host of problems. Think fatigue, brain fog, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. It can also contribute to heart disease and accelerated aging. High blood sugar damages your blood vessels and organs over time. On the other hand, what about low blood sugar or hypoglycemia? This can be equally problematic. Symptoms of hypoglycemia include shakiness, dizziness, and even loss of consciousness. It's a sign that your brain isn't getting enough fuel. Maintaining stable blood sugar is crucial for preventing both hyperglycemia and hypoglycemia. It's the key to feeling your best and protecting your long-term health. All right, let's get into the practical strategies for balancing your blood sugar. The first, and perhaps most important, is your dietary choices. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods. These foods are naturally lower in sugar and higher in fiber. Fiber is your friend when it comes to blood sugar control. Fiber-rich foods slow down the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream. This prevents those rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Think of it as a slow and steady release of energy. On the other hand, limit your intake of refined carbohydrates. This includes sugary drinks, processed foods, and white bread. These foods are quickly digested and can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. They offer little nutritional value and can contribute to insulin resistance. Portion control is also essential. Even healthy foods can raise your blood sugar if you eat too much of them at once. Be mindful of your portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger cues. It's about finding the right balance for your individual needs. Regular exercise is another powerful tool for blood sugar control. Exercise improves your insulin sensitivity. This means your cells become more responsive to insulin, allowing glucose to enter more easily. It's like unlocking the doors with a better key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could be brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling. Prioritize sleep. Sleep deprivation can disrupt your hormones, including insulin. When you're sleep deprived, your body becomes less sensitive to insulin. This can lead to higher blood sugar levels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you wind down and fall asleep easily. Finally, manage your stress levels. Chronic stress can also impact your blood sugar. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can raise blood sugar. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Now let's talk about supplements. Some supplements may help support blood sugar control. Examples include cinnamon, berberine, and chromium. These supplements have shown some promise in studies. However, it's crucial to consult with your doctor before taking any supplements. They can interact with medications or have side effects. Supplements are not a replacement for a healthy lifestyle. They should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or exercise routine. So to recap, the scientific way to balance your blood sugar involves eating whole, unprocessed foods, limiting refined carbohydrates and sugary drinks, practicing portion control, exercising regularly, prioritizing sleep, managing stress, take control of your metabolic health, and improve your overall well-being. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who might benefit from this information. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based health and wellness tips. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you so much for watching. End screen, links to related videos and social media